Let's solve the equation, which is x to the power 9 plus x to the power 6 is equals to 36, and we will find the value of x. For the solution of this equation, we have to modify the above equation into simplest form so that we can substitute another variable in the form of that one variable. So x to the power 9 can be written as x cube whole to the power 3 plus, and x to the power 6 can be written as x cube whole square is equals to 36. Since 9 is equals to 3 times 3 and 6 is equals to 3 times 2, that is equals to 36. So we can let that y is equal to x cube. Now above equation will be y cube plus y square is equals to 36. Since y square is common in both of these terms, so that becomes y square times y plus 1 is equals to 36. Now product of two terms, that are y square times y plus 1 is equals to 36. So we can make 36 into two terms. So 36 is equals to 9 times 4. So y square times y plus 1 is equals to 9 times 4. So y square is equals to 9 and y plus 1 is equals to 4. You can take another variable in this form, such as y plus 1 can be equals to 9 or y square can be equals to 4. Now taking square root in y square is equals to 9, that becomes y square root is equal to square root of 9, and y plus 1 is equals to 4. So plus 1 will move to next side, that becomes y is equals to 4 minus 1. Now square and square root are cancelled, so that becomes y is equals to positive negative of 3, or y is equals to 3. We can take only positive answers, so y is equals to 3 is the only answer. Since we had let that y cube was equals to y, x cube was equals to y, and y was equals to 3, so three terms are equals to each other. We can take first and third can also be equals to each other. So x cube is equals to 3. Now we can take the power cube root on both sides in order to get rid of that power 3. So that becomes x cube whole power cube root is equals to 3 to the power cube root. So 3 and 3 are cancelled. So x is equals to 3 to the power 1 upon 3 or cube root of 3. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe that one channel.